Hello dear students, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be learning the concept of subtraction of signed values. So this can be used for numbers as well as for algebraic expression. So let us see what is it. So first thing first. So negative number subtracted with a positive number. What can be the answer? We will be getting a negative answer. Let us see how. If it is negative 10 minus positive 5. So what will happen here? This negative and positive will become more negative. So negative 10 minus 5. If numbers are having same sign, we can just add them and put the same sign. So 10 plus 5, it is 15, and put a minus sign. That is the first case. Okay, let's take another example. If it was negative 8 minus positive 2, what will happen to this negative and positive? It will become negative. So negative 8 minus 2. So it is becoming, because both of their signs are negative, put the negative sign and just add them. We will be getting the answer like this. This is the first case. Now let us check the second case. So in the second case, what is happening? A positive number is subtracted with a negative number. So the condition is like what? Positive 5 minus negative 1. In this case, we will be getting final answer as a positive one. Let us see how. See, this negative into negative become plus. So 5 plus 1. What is that? It is 6. What is that? 6? Positive 6. Another example, what if it is 20 minus minus 7? So this plus and this minus and minus will become plus. So 20 plus 7. What is 20 plus 7? 27. Clear? And the other two cases. So negative number subtracted with a negative number. So here we have to use the same logic. So what if it is a negative 10 minus minus 2? Okay, so in this case, first we have to consider these two signs. So what it will happen? Negative 10, negative into negative is what? Positive. So positive 2. Now what we have to do? One is a negative value and one is a positive value. So we will be using our logic, bigger number minus smaller number and sign of bigger number. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and sign of 10 is what? Negative. So negative 8 is our answer. We will try one more. So if it is negative 5 minus and minus 10. So what is it becoming? Negative 5 plus 10. Bigger number minus smaller number. 10 minus 5, it is 5. What is sign of bigger number? Positive. So answer will be positive. Clear? So in this case, answer can be negative or positive depending upon our calculation. And the last case, it is like what? Positive value subtracted with positive. So what is the condition? For instance, 7 minus 3. Bigger number minus smaller number and sign of the bigger number. 7 minus 3 is what? 7 minus 3 is 4. Clear? Similarly, if it was 3 minus 10. So what we have to do? 3 minus 10. So from bigger number, we have to subtract the smaller number and put the sign of bigger number. Okay, so 10 minus 3 is 7, but 10 is negative, so put the negative sign. So this is the logic behind the sign conventions related to subtraction. So watch the video again, and if you have any doubts, ask us, and see you in the next video.